Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is OUMH1303. I'm from Bachelor of Management. Today I will be present on how to identify common Malaysian wildlife threats. Malaysia is well known for its rich biodiversity and diverse wildlife. Even though many wild animals are rarely seen, we can still detect their presence through the tracks they leave behind. The aim of this presentation is to explain how to identify common wildlife threats in Malaysia and understand their importance. What are wildlife threats? Wildlife threats are signs left by animals such as footprints, droppings, stretch marks, and feeding remains. These signs help us learn about animals without seeing them directly. For example, we can know what type of animal passes through an area, how big it is, and even how it's moved. Wildlife tracking is also important in research and conservation. Basic features to observe. To identify animal tracks, there are a few important features to observe. First is the shape of the track, such as round, oval, or long. Second, the size, which help us estimate the animals. Third is the number of toes of claws. Next is the pattern of movement, whether the animal walks in a straight line or not. Lastly, the depth of the track can show how heavy the animal is. Common Malaysian wildlife tracks. First is Malayan tiger. The Malayan tiger has large, round paw print with 4 toes. Usually, claw marks are not visible because the claws are retractable. These tracks are commonly found in the forest areas. Asian elephant. The Asian elephant leaves a very large, round footprints. The tracks are deep because of its very weak. Sometimes we can also see 2 nail marks. It's a wild boar. Wild boar tracks are a split hoof shape, similar to the herds. They are often found in the muddy areas. Sometimes smaller side toes can also be seen. Next is the long-tailed macaque. The long-tailed macaque has tracks that look like human hands. They have 5 fingers or toes. They have usually found near rivers or even in urban areas. Leopard. Leopard tracks are similar to tiger's tracks, but smaller than the Malayan tiger. They are round. They usually do not show claw marks. Where to find tracks? Wildlife tracks are easier to find if you a soft surface. For example, you can find them on riverbanks, mud trails, forest floor, and near water sources. These areas allow footprints to be clearly visible. Safety tips. When tracking wildlife, safety is very important. Do not approach wild animals because they can be dangerous. Always keep a safe distance and avoid touching fresh tracks. If you enter the forest, it is better to go with a guide. Importance of tracking. Tracking wildlife plays an important role in conservation. It helps research monitor endangered animals like Malayan tiger. It also supports scientific studies and ecotourism. By understanding wildlife threats, we can help protect animals and their habitats. And the conclusion is, in conclusion, wildlife threats are useful signs that help us important animals without seeing them directly. By observing features like shape, size, pattern, we can identify different types of animal tracks. This knowledge is important for conservation and protecting Malaysian wildlife. Thank you.